Adding a runner in GitLab enables automated tasks such as CI or CD pipelines to run your own infrastructure. Here's a step-by-step guide to add the GitLab runner. Install GitLab runner. On your server or local machine where you want the runner, download and install GitLab runner. Instructions can be found on the GitLab runner installation page. For example, on Ubuntu, use the following. Register the runner. After installation, register the runner with your GitLab instance. Run the following. Follow the prompts to enter. GitLab Insurance ID. Registration token. Description. Tags. Executor. Verify the runner. Once registered, the runner should appear in the runner section of your GitLab project settings. It will be listed as either active or paused. Ensure it is actively and properly configured. Test the runner. Create a GitLab ci.yml file in your project repository to define a CI or CD pipeline and push changes. Verify that the runner executes the pipeline jobs.